Brothers and sisters, bunions and blisters, children of all ages, I am your boy T Squared, the Renaissance Man, coming at you live with another mobile home tour extravaganza. Today we are going to be taking a look at this nice brand new modern double wide down here in Clayton's mobile home retail dealership in good old Elizabeth City, North Carolina. So I had to hit the country a little bit for this one. This is their Boulder model. This particular floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You can clearly see that since this has a 4th bedroom, this is incorporating that optional of what you see here in the blueprint. So this video here is going to be a nice breath of air, change of pace for the channel, if you will. For those that already know me, I'm a mobile home investor. Normally we deal with homes that are already in mobile home parks. I usually deal with wholesale, fix and flips, used mobile homes, but it never hurt anybody to go into the market here and see what's brand new and what the new technology and the new finishes are for the new homes. Because you never know when you might have a situation where you might come across some land, or you might come across a client who has a need for a home of this nature where they wanted to be turnkey and not lived in already. So let's take a walk right here, and we're going to take a look at the exterior of the home here. You can see nice modern vinyl sidings on the outside. Going to creep around the back here and see what's going on in the rear. The retailer here let me know that most of these houses here on the exterior here come as double wides, but they also can be converted into modular homes as well. So good thing that you can get this either in a regular double wide manufactured home, or you can get drywalled modular homes in these same footprints as well. Got our outdoor spigot here, sliding doors on the back, and you see our double hitch because we do have a double wide here. Got our side door and side light. Got our front spigot here. Pretty nice size home here. Let's take a peek on the inside, shall we? Door's already cracked, she's ready to go for us. Like that faux wood shake shingle look here at the entryway. All right, let's get our first glimpse here. Got our living room area. Get a nice pan of that there. Kitchen area over there. Nice island right there. Nice vinyl flooring here. Got that nice grayish look. Contrasts nicely with the staging of the gray furniture, some of the gray appliances. So they all kind of accent each other. We're gonna get another angle here of the living room. Got a nice recessed lighting in here. Let's get a little bit of this kitchen action here. Nice storage around the refrigerator area. Really nice island right here. Nice modern chrome range hood over here too as well. Want to see if we can take a look at some of the stats here. So let me get a photograph first. So what we have here is the Boulder, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,685 square feet. MSRP on this house is $147,986. They got the Rahim hybrid heat pump in here. We got the low efficiency E windows, Carrier Smart Comfort heat pump or gas furnace. Energy Star appliances, LED lighting all throughout. They got the ecobee Smart thermostat, next gen installation, and this thing's already ready for solar panel ready. So a lot of these houses are what they call Energy Smart Zero. So these manufacturers are being more conscious of people trying to be on solar and try to have energy efficient homes, which is good for a house in these small footprints. So we got some of the extra amenities here too as well to insinuate the e-built. Good stuff. So still got this nice gray vinyl luxury flooring plank all the way throughout. Got a nice look with the cabinets and the hardware here. Like I said, this nice white and gray contrast gives it a nice modern feel. Got our nice cabinets here, Frigidaire dishwasher. Nice window sink here. In this kitchen, we lick the spoon. Gotta say it all thick with the mouth like that. Spoon. Nice portrait window here by the sink. So if you got a good backyard jumping off, you can kind of take a look at that. Nice crystal clear window. Got our modern sink here. You know, this is a standard nowadays. Can't live without it. Chrome finishes. Nice metal double sink. Okay, got silent smart technology here. One more time for this island, yo. Plenty of storage here underneath the island too as well. That's always a plus. Double shelves in here. So I'm trying to figure out which side of the house I should start on first. I got the sneaky feeling that our smaller bedrooms and stuff are gonna be down this hallway. So continuous flooring throughout. Nice recessed lighting. We're gonna see behind door number one, we have pretty decent sized bedroom here. With the recessed lighting. Check out this closet here. Got some of their supplies in here, but kind of gives you an idea of scale the size of what you can kind of fit in this closet. You know, maybe we can knock out a kid's wardrobe in here. Get a couple of shoes and whatnot up here up top. See behind door number two. All right, we got our shared bathroom for this area. Fairly decent size, continuous floors throughout, consistent with the hardware. Nice sink, chrome finishing, the square modern look. Got a little small mirror here. Okay. Yeah, when I'm in the toilet, it's happy hours for me too. Can't front. The throne room is where I spend most of my time. So definitely the bathroom is one of my happy spaces. Shame you gotta put that down there, right? But there's always one. There's always one that tries it. Why would you go to a model home and float Scooby snacks in the water? Why would you float Scooby snacks in the model? What would make you think that's cool? Anyway, takes all types, right? So got the nice tub shower area here. I think we got fiberglass here. A nice little shower head here, built into the wall. Got the standard brushed nickel-like finish in here. It's pretty cool. It's got the drain here in the middle. So instead of having all that water like pile up right there with your soap scum and all that stuff, it'll kind of wash its way to the middle area. Pretty cool. So we come back out and we got a nice little common landing area here. It's kind of nice. It kind of connects. Oh, So we got ourselves a little flex space here. Or if you got kids, maybe this could be the TV entertainment area here in the back. It's kind of at an angle. So they pretty much took the corner of the home and made this flex space or play space or second den or TV area or man cave area possibly. And kind of tucked it away over here. They got it staged as like a little coffee bar area. You know, Elizabeth know what time it is. Well, actually, scratch that, not coffee bar, or bar. So this is designated in this house as the place to get rocked. So they staged it with a seating area here. Let me see if I can grab a seat here at the bar, see what this thing feels like. Oh, not too bad at all. But in real life, probably would use this area if you had kids for them to play video games, watch TV, and to stay out your way on the other side of the house where it's grown-up time. But pretty interesting use of space. Wide open corner, so it kind of has a real, can't tell by the video, but it has a real open feel right here in between this area and the bedrooms. And speaking of bedrooms, I'm gonna duck behind door number 3 over here across from the sitting area. And we have ourselves another bedroom space. Fairly decent bedroom. Got the same theme of recessed LED lighting. Got our closet space, a nice molding to accent it. So everything has that gray and white safe color palette. Something that you can kind of start off with and use your imagination to build from. All right, got a spare door back here for you. At least you know this closet does have some space in here. They was able to fit a whole sliding door in this piece. So this is a real good look from here to the door where you kind of see that sitting area and how it's kind of like at an angle and in the corner. Real nice. Let me see what we got hidden behind this door here. Raheem. So we got our Raheem water heater here, and we got our furnace. Can't see the brand of it, but I'm pretty sure it's a matching brand. All right, I'm gonna assume the laundry area is back here by this side door. Let me see if I'm correct with my guess. Ooh, that's how your aunt say, this is nice. This is nice. Gotta put a lot of extra S's when it's nice. This is nice. Continuous flooring throughout. Call me crazy, but this little laundry room area is bigger than the bedrooms. So by the side door, they tucked away kind of like a mudroom / laundry room area. So you got a place to hang up your knickknacks, got a place to put your shoes and whatnot. Got a nice sink here. Got the same consistent cabinetry throughout, countertop. Got plenty of storage back here in the laundry room. You can throw all the tides you want up in this camper. She won't get full at all. Nice deep space in here. Nice deep wash sink. Faucet matches what's in the kitchen. And they're not playing with this. This is nice. Wide open space here. Also too, taking advantage of your natural light here. No one likes feeling like they're slaving away in the laundry room in a dungeon. It's always good to have that natural light jumping off. You gotta love all the storage space here. So they tucked away back here. Got our circuit panel. We got our washer and dryer hookups. Get my shadow out the way. Big boy cast a big shadow, you know what I mean? Nice wire rack here to go above that washer and dryer area. Got your NEMA plug and your hose filter out right there for the laundry, for your dryer. But yeah, video doesn't do it justice, but this is a wide open space. So I'm assuming since they merged it with a mudroom / laundry area, that's why they maximize the size. Not bad at all. Definitely feels like its own little space. Uh-oh, got a little love right here though. Need to tighten that up, Clayton. Need to tighten that up now. Literally, you need to tighten that up. So, coming back through here. So now that we explored this side of the house, I'm gonna take a trip down the hall. So right here, as you can see, they found a real clever, stylish way to hide the seam of the home. So this is the direct split right down the middle of the home. So they put an extra layered vinyl plank to hide the seam. And up here at the top, shout out to the crown molding in here too, by the way. Get a quick hit. We got some nice crown molding here up top. Spent so much time down here at the bottom, never came up top. But this is kind of like how they hide the seam here at the top. So you would have one side of your house over here that gets hauled out. Yeah, one side of your house over here that gets hauled out. This is the other side. So just going from here to here, you're in two different parts of the house. And we're gonna check out the master bedroom here. So here we got our primary bedroom. Tons of space in here. Oh man. You could pretty much have a whole basketball tournament in here. This is a whole Rucker Park here in your closet. Look how massive this walk-in closet is. You gotta go across the toll bridge just to get to the other side of this joint. Sheesh. This is a nice closet. Oh, you could pack it in here. You could throw a whole lot of clothes at this thing and she won't burp. She won't get full. Take a quick look here at the primary bathroom. Same consistent flooring all the way throughout. Got our nice double sinks here. Oh, huge soaker tub right here. Kind of has that floating freestanding look to it. They don't press them up against the wall anymore. Fiberglass, nice finish in here. Big old windows that you're gonna have to cover up so people won't see you doing your business in here while you're in here dripping. Instead of a water closet here, they tucked away the toilet right here up against the wall. A little love for this shower. Got the nice faux stone, got the gray with the white grout look. Nice floor plan area. Kind of has like a step up right here to get into it. Really nice stone, faux stone work here on the wall. Like the glass divider right here. Got our modern chrome fixture up top. Trying to see where our hardware is, so let me step in here. Oh, pretty sneaky, sis. You sunk my battleship. So we got a handle right here on the side wall to control this Mickey Ficky up here. Nice, nice, nice. I've seen a couple of these, but I hadn't seen them in the mobile homes. This is a nice feature. So this also can lead to you not hopping into some cold water and just doing a quick reach around here. So that concludes our tour of this home here. We're gonna put up on the screen the blueprints. I'm gonna take a look at some of the other features of the house too on the Clayton website. So if you're ever in the neck of the woods of Elizabeth City, please feel free to check out my good friends at Clayton Mobile Homes in regards to any homes that you see on this channel that I'm touring down at their lot that's in Elizabeth City. Make sure to ask for my good friend Vicky Taylor, a very seasoned agent at Clayton. Also, this is a reminder as well that we do have a link in the description if you want to join our Facebook mobile home group that concentrates on buying and selling used mobile homes in the Virginia, Maryland, and North Carolina areas as well. Don't forget, if you're also in those areas and if you need help personally with being able to try to sell a mobile home that you're trying to get rid of or one that you inherited you're trying to get off your hands, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you're having trouble just trying to be able to sell a mobile home, I can also guide you through that too as well. This is my business number here. I know you guys could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with me, and I really appreciate that. Catch us on the next one.